In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to learn Salesforce from Trailhead, step by step for beginners. Trailhead is Salesforce's free gamified learning platform designed to take you from absolute beginner to job ready with guided content and hands-on practice. We'll walk through exactly how to get started and progress with confidence. First, head to trailhead.salesforce.com and sign up for a free account. You can use a personal email or a supported single sign-on option. Once you're in, confirm your email if prompted. This creates your learning hub where every module, quiz, and project you complete will be saved to your profile. Next, set up your Trailblazer profile. Add a photo if you'd like, select your interests and role aspirations, and make sure your profile is ready to track points and badges. This becomes your public proof of progress, so keep it tidy and accurate. It's the easiest way to show what you've learned to peers and potential employers. Start your learning journey with the Salesforce Admin Beginner Trail. It gives you a strong foundation in CRM concepts, key Salesforce terminology, and how to navigate the platform. Take your time with these modules. A solid start here will make everything else far easier. When it's time to practice, never use a production Salesforce org. Trailhead provides playgrounds, safe, disposable practice environments where you can experiment freely. You can keep up to 10 active playgrounds. Rename them to stay organized, and if one gets messy, just spin up a fresh one. Follow the trails step by step, read the lessons, take the quizzes, and complete the projects for guided hands-on builds. Projects include detailed instructions that mirror real tasks, so open the instructions alongside your playground and complete each step carefully. If you miss a detail, the challenge checker will let you know what to fix. As you learn, you'll earn badges that mark your progress. Once you've built a solid base, level up with super badges. These simulate real business scenarios and require you to apply multiple skills without hand-holding. They take longer, but they showcase job-ready ability on your profile and resume. When you're ready to aim for a certification, use the certification prep trail mixes. They bundle official exam guides, focused modules, and practice materials into a clear study path. Build a study rhythm, practice in a playground, and book the exam when you're consistently scoring well on practice checks. Finally, connect with the Trailblazer community. Ask questions, join groups by role or product, and learn from others' solutions. Engaging with the community speeds up problem solving and keeps you motivated. Follow these steps, stay consistent, and you'll build real Salesforce skills the right way with Trailhead.